In this video, I will show you how to assemble and disassemble the Fiat 500e, 500X, and Topolino key. First, push the upper back cover to open it. Here you can find the key blade. Behind the key blade is the battery cover. Now use a flat screwdriver to open the front side of the key. Gently use the screwdriver to open the key. Here you can find the electronics. Now let's assemble it again. Press the electronics and the battery cover until they click into place. Place the buttons back in position. Put the key blade back in place. Then push down the back cover and place the front cover back on. You are ready.